Growing up in Atlantic Canada, the oceans are important. And that's not just our economy, it's what we connect to. It's our culture, it's our heritage. We've gotten very good at harvesting the oceans, but we have not looked at so much what is the broader impacts of that. And what we're seeing are 640,000 tons of plastics entering the oceans each year just from the commercial fisheries. 140,000 marine animals dying in entanglement each year. The impact of advancements in materials is really being felt, and now we're at a point where we have to do better. The problems with marine debris, gear loss, entanglements are issues that are felt around the world. In the last couple of years, governments around the world have really worked to reduce that risk of entanglement, and so one of the tools is zone closures. If there's a whale in an area, or if it's a known area where whales gather, that area is closed to fishing. And ultimately, that's the problem that we're solving. The Ashored solution addresses this issue by taking the buoy that sits on the surface and the rope that connects it to the trap, the vertical line, and contain that down on the ocean floor next to the traps. When the fishermen retrieve their gear, they send a signal down through the water, it activates the release, then the line comes back up to the surface and they're able to haul their gear in. This effectively removes the rope from the water column so marine life can pass unimpeded. One of the areas that we are really separating ourselves in this space is looking at not only the function of it, but how it's made and in what materials. It still serves the same function. It's still a trap, but it's a far more ecologically sound and longer lasting solution than what is there now. It's just doing what we do and doing it better. Developing technology for a saltwater marine environment is exponentially more challenging than it is for doing something on land or in air. So it didn't take us very long to go from playing around with handmade solutions to realizing that we need to get this onto computers and really start using design software to help figure this out. And it really is this simulation or virtual environments that we're able to do that. What I long to see is a day when we're in balance with sustaining and supporting a thriving ocean environment and having fishing communities or coastal communities that are also thriving in their culture, in their business, in their economy, having the two in balance for generations to come.